Welcome to HomeRepairSavannah.com, your number one place to find service professionals in Savannah, Georgia. Are you looking for new custom cabinets in Savannah, Georgia? Well, you've come to the right place. HomeRepairSavannah.com. Not a huge national directory, but all local contractors, specifically for Savannah, Georgia. Just visit our site, locate the Interior Finishes category, click on Custom Cabinets, and contact your local custom cabinet installation contractor. Thanks for visiting HomeRepairSavannah.com, your number one place to find service professionals in Savannah, Georgia.